welcome to our science fair. We are talking about crewed mission. You might be asking, what is crewed mission? Crewed mission is when some astronauts go onto a rocket ship and go explore space to find out unknown mysteries that humans have never known in their life. The first person to build a rocket ship was an American college professor and also a scientist named Goddard, which was in March 16, 1926, which was exactly 75 years ago. And also, if you look into space, we also have stars. What are stars? Stars are in space all around us. If we go into space, you will see that there are billions of stars around the world. So, actually, we have lots of colors of stars. We have blue stars, orange stars, white stars. The hottest star is a blue star, and the coldest is the red star. And also, in space, we have to wear a spacesuit that will help us from not be flying into space. Without a spacesuit, we couldn't be walking around space. It's so heavy that if it wasn't heavy, we would be flying all around space. An NASA spacesuit costs actually 2,000 million pounds. And actually, in space, we have different types of foods. For example, tortillas, chicken soup, M&M's. These are some popular space foods. In space, we have to dry these foods or make them into a mashed potato paste or frozen so that we can be able to eat them in space. And we also have space rovers. Sometimes we send space rovers into Mars so that we don't have to go onto Mars because it's very far from our planet and we might get trapped in there. The first person to build a space rover actually was Elon Musk in the year 2010. Thank you so much for listening. Have a wonderful day.